How's everybody doing tonight? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Keto Big Mac from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers and biggest supporters of this channel, Gary McCartney. Thank you, Gary, for your ongoing support. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. All right, so let me show you how to make this Keto Big Mac. All right, here we go. All right, let's start off with our dry ingredients. 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And mix until combined. Now to add the wet ingredients. Alright, so we have 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 eggs. And mix until combined. Alright, so let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to transfer it onto a sheet lined with parchment paper. We have our pan here with parchment paper. Alright, with some wet hands, let's just try to mold the dough into a nice ball. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is sprinkle with some sesame seeds on top. Perfect. And we're going to place this into the oven, preheating at 375 degrees for approximately 45 minutes. In the meantime, we'll cook up our burger patties. Alright, now let's make the secret sauce. Let's make the Big Mac sauce. We're going to start off with 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, a dash of hot sauce, and 5 drops of liquid stevia, and a dash of onion and garlic powder. And mix until combined. And there you have it. Big Mac sauce. Only a few ingredients. Now to build the sandwich. Alright, so we have some fresh greens here. This is kale. And we have a fresh tomato and an onion. And we're going to dice up some pickles. Alright, we have our pickle. Sliced pickles. Put those in here. Got our tomato. Sliced tomatoes and our onion. some sliced thin onions. All right, 45 minutes later, and look at these rolls. Absolutely incredible. So before slicing these, we're going to allow these to cool for approximately 1 hour. All right, first step, we got our sesame seed bun here, right out of the oven. We're going to slice it in threes if we can. Okay, so we have our bottom bun here. Let's see if we can get the middle. All right, we got our middle and we got our top. Lay our first piece of meat onto the bun, the bottom bun, and our first piece of cheese right on top. We're going to put a little bit of mac sauce on here. And put it on top of the cheese. There we go, so it stays right in place. Now we're going to put another piece of meat and another piece of cheese. Perfect. Now we're going to put a piece of kale lettuce on top. This is one side of the bun. We're going to work on the top of the bun now. Add some mac sauce. We're going to add, there we go, sliced pickles first, then the onion, and then the tomato. There we go. Perfect. And lay it on top of the lettuce. And there we go. We have our Big Mac. Now for a taste test. All right, look at this Keto Big Mac. I can't wait to try it. All right, here we go. Take a look at that. Wow. It tastes like a Big Mac. I just had a flashback of when I used to go to McDonald's and get Big Macs 2 for $5. Man, this tastes exactly like a Big Mac. With that sauce too. This entire sandwich is only 4 net carbs. You can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. Tastes exactly like a Big Mac. Absolutely delicious. Thank you, Gary, for your video recommendation. This was amazing. So it goes to show you, you don't have to go without your favorite foods on keto. There's always a way to substitute and replace the ingredients on the ketogenic lifestyle. With that being said, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Thank you so much for joining me. Matt Troy signing out.